Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add a new identity into your Bitwarden desktop app. So first, what you guys want to do is click the plus right here at the bottom and select identity. Now, it requires the item name. So for example, it will be my personal information. And here we will have the folder. So we can select a folder, for example, hard reset.info. You need to create a folder. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to do that. Now, after that, we will have the personal details. So here we select our title. So Mr., Mrs., MX, Doctor. So here we can choose it. Now the first name, also the middle name if you got one, and the last name. Here we can also add our username and the company. So we do it just like that. Here we have the identification. So here we have the national insurance number. So here you guys can enter it. Also the passport number if you've got your password. Sorry, not the password, but the passport. You just simply enter it here. And here you guys can also enter your, let's say, license number. So you guys can do something like that. I don't have my license number with me, so I cannot actually put it here. Now here we have the contact information. So as you guys can see, I can just do that. And now here we have our phone number. So for example, I'll do it like that. Now I'll have my phone number and the email. Here we have the address. So for example, and here we just enter the apartment and the number of the house. Here we have the city and town. So for example, let it be Warsaw. And here we have the county. You guys don't have to put it here, only if you know your county. Also, the postcode goes right here, and the country, since Warsaw is in Poland, I'll go with Poland. And right at the bottom, we have the additional options. So here we have the notes, so my personal information for traveling purposes. And now that's basically what you guys can do. You guys can also enable to enter the password again every time you try and click on your personal information, and now you guys can save it. As you guys can see, here we have our personal information and it requires the password. So it's the password for your Bitwarden. And as you guys can see, now we've opened it and this is how it looks like. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.